Hi. In the paper number 15, we will see some more problems in the costing paper. So let us go to the page number 15. So let us see illustration number 3 in our material. So illustration number 3. So company X is forced to choose two machines, either A or B. So the two machines are designed differently but have identical capacity and do exactly the same job. That is given, right? So here it is given machine A costs 1,50,000 and it will last for 3 years, right? So this is given, this is important information, and it costs 40,000 a year, like 40,000 per year to run. So here the maintenance cost of the machine A is given as 40,000 per year. Similarly, for machine B is an economy model costing 1 lakh rupees, but it lasts only for 2 years. So that is the difference between A and B. And the cost is 60,000 per year to run. So the maintenance cost of B is 60,000 per year. So this is the information given, and also it is given that the costs are forecasted in rupees of constant purchasing power, ignore tax, opportunity cost of capital is 10%. So the cost of capital is given as 10%. So this is also important information for us. So the question is which machine the company X should buy. So that is the question. So in the question it is given that the purchase value of the machine, the maintenance cost of the machine, and how many years it will run. So these are the three informations given in the problem. So we have to choose which machine is the best one, right? So here let us see the solution here. So for machine A and machine B, okay, use a tabular form here. The cost of purchase is given as 1,50,000 for machine A and 1,10,000 for machine B. So this information is entered here. So we need to deduct the maintenance cost, right? The present value of the maintenance cost is to be added to the cost of purchase to arrive the total cost of the machine, right? So here for the machine A, it is given that it is 40,000 per year is a maintenance cost. So we need to calculate the present value of running this machine for 3 years. If you do not consider the present value, what happens? It is like 40,000 into 3, it gives like 1,20,000. But we need to calculate the present value. So here the present value is given as only 10% is the cost of capital is given, right? So we need to calculate the present value. So we can go the simple calculator method to arrive what is the present value for the 3 years. Here it is given as compound present value for 3 years is 2.486, and present value of running the cost of the machine is like 40,000 to 2.486. How he arrived 2.486, let us know. So let us take a simple calculator here. So it is given as 10% is the cost of capital. So we need to divide 1 divided by 1.10. Just plus 0.909 is for the first year. Add to the memory. 8264 is for the second year. Add to the memory. Again is equal to 0.751 is for the third year. Add to the memory. Just to memory recall it. It is 2.486. So by adding these three values, we can get this number 2.486. Right. So the present value of running the cost of machine is 40,000 into 2.486. So it comes to 99,440. So we need to add these to get the present value of cash outflow. So when we add this like a 1.5 lakhs to 99,440, it comes to around 2,49,440. and we need to arrive the annual equivalent annual cash flow. So again we need to divide this value with 2.486 because it is for the 3 years. So okay, when we divide this 249,440 divided by 2.486, the annual cost of the machine which comes as 1,03,038. That is for machine B. Similarly, we need to calculate for machine B also. So here the machine B, the cost of purchase is 1 lakh, that is given the problem, right? And the maintenance cost of machine B is compound value is given as 1.735. So how we arrive like this value 1.735, again we will see again using the calculator, also memory clear. So 1 divided by 1.10 because 10% is the cost of capital. Sorry, this is 1.10. 1.10 is equal to memory plus, again is equal to memory plus, is only for 2 years, right? Which comes to 1.735. So this is a value array, right? Hope you understood. So so it is 60,000 now because 60,000 is the running cost for the machine B. So 60,000 into 1.735, which comes to 1,04,100. So the running cost is okay 1,01,100, and we need to add these two to get the present value of outflow. And again we need to divide to arrive the equivalent annual cash outflow. So we need to divide with 1.735. So which comes to 204, okay, 100 divided by 1.735, which is 1,17,637. So for machine A it is 1,03,38, and for machine B it is okay 1,17,637. So machine A has less outflow, right? So machine A can be purchased. So this is a simple problem for illustration 3. Again we will see next problem, illustration number 4. Computation of equivalent annual cost and identification of year to replace the machine. So here the problem is A company is contemplating whether to replace an existing machine or to spend money on overhauling it. So if like A company is thinking that either to replace the existing machine or spend spend money by overhauling it. So okay, they want to repair the existing machine and run the machine. And A company currently pays no taxes. The replacement machine cost is 90,000 now. Okay, that is the information is given, is very important. So the replacement cost is given as 90,000 now and requires maintenance of 10,000 at the end of every year for 8 years. At the end of 8 years, it would have a salvage value of 20,000 and it would be sold. The existing machine requires increasing amount of maintenance each year and its salvage value falls each year as follows. So the salvage value will decrease, which is given in the table. So for the year present is salvage value is 40,000, and for the year 1, 2, 3, 4 the maintenance cost is increasing like this 10,000, 20,000 and 30,000, 40,000, and the salvage value will be decreasing. So at the year end 4 the salvage value is 0. Okay, that is a problem. Okay, that is given, and the opportunity cost of capital of A company is 15%. So in the earlier problem it is 10%, now it is given as 15%. So note is also given here, the present value of annuity of 1 rupee per period for 8 years interest rate is 15% is 4.4873. So the value is given for 8 years already. And also for the present value of 1 rupee to be received after 8 years of interest rate of 15% is 0.3269. So for the 8th year also he has given the value as 0.3269. So this is the information that is given in the problem. Okay. So okay, let us go to solution here. So if like now, if they want to buy a new machine altogether, a new machine, so the new machine costing 90,000. Okay, that is given the problem. Also, we have a maintenance cost for 8 years, right? For 10,000 rupees of every year, which is given the problem. So for 10,000, the present value of the like the manual the present value of the annual maintenance cost for 8 years is 10,000 into 4.4873. This like a for yeah this like a for if this value is already given the problem, right? Okay, for us. So okay, we need to multiply 10,000 with okay 4.4873, which comes to 44,873. So the total outflow is okay 1,34,873. So and also at the end of the 8th year, they have a salvage value of 20,000. That is also given the problem, right? So for the 8th year, the present value is given as 0.3269. So it is 20,000 into 0.3269, which comes to 6,538. So when we deduct this value, the total value of outflow will be okay 1,28,335. And if we want to arrive the annual equivalent annual cost, we need to divide this with okay 4.4873, which we done earlier in the which we done earlier problem also similarly. So we will get 28,600 as a annual cost, equivalent annual cost. Okay, and this is about the new machine. So we need to also solve okay whether it is existing machine is okay is a better one or a new machine is a better one. So for the existing machine the salvage value is given as 40,000 for the first year, right? And the annual cost for the first year is given as, so the current value of the machine is okay 40,000 is given here, and the annual maintenance is 10,000 for the first year, and it's like a salvage value is 25,000. So for the 10,000 annual cost, 10,000 into we need to multiply with the present value factor, right? So here it is given divided with 1.15. Also we can do like this also, as we did okay like earlier, is given as 15%, right? So if you go to the calculator and we can see this. So it is 15%, right? It is 1 divided by 1.15, right? 0.869. So if you multiply 10,000 into 0.869, we will get 8696. So in that way also we can calculate. Understood? So the annual cost is like 40,000 plus the maintenance is 8,696, which comes to 48,696. To that we need to deduct the salvage value at the end of the 8th year, right? So for at the end of the first year. So end of the first year it is given as 20,000. 25,000 is a salvage value of the first year. So 25,000 divided by 1.15. Also we can calculate it is 25,000 into 0.869, which comes to 21,739. Also we can calculate in that way also. So it is okay 48,696 minus the salvage value, which comes to 26,957. And for and we need to calculate the equivalent annual cost, which should be divided, the total cost should be divided with 1.15, right, which comes to 31,000. This is for the first year. Similarly, we need to calculate about the second year. For the second year, the annual maintenance, the salvage value at the end of the first year is 25,000, right? So it will become the initial value for the second year. The beginning value is 25,000 for the second year, right? So, okay, similarly we need to calculate the maintenance cost, which is given as 20,000 is the maintenance cost for the second year. So we need to multiply again for this 20,000, 20,000 into 0.869, right? Yeah, 0.869. So again, 20,000 into 0.869, which comes to around 17,391. So total outflow is 42,391. Again, we need to deduct the salvage value. The salvage value is given as 15,000 after second year. So 15,000 divided by 0.896 or into 0.896, you can say, which comes to 13,043. So the total annual cost, the total outflow will become 29,348, and the annual. So we need to calculate the equivalent annual cost, which is to be divided with 1.15, which comes to around 33,750. Like that, we need to calculate for third year and fourth year also. So, okay, when we check for the third year, it is coming around 37,250, and for the fourth year, it is coming around 51,500. So, when we compare these 4 years and with the new machine, the new machine equivalent annual cost is very less. It is only 28,600 compared to the existing machine. So, the decision is we can go with the new machine. Alright. Since the equivalent annual cost of the new machine is lesser than the existing machine, it is suggested to replace the existing machine with the new machine. So this is the problem, and okay, this is the solution for this. Yeah, thank you.